shit, it was good in this lighting. That's pretty much the reason why you guys have not seen this car in action. Damn, shit, it was good in this lighting. I love this car. Alright guys, so time to address the title of this video. Honestly, the only reason that I'm even doing this video is because I feel like I owe you guys an explanation, especially for the ones that have been wanting to see this car in action, and like the ones that are wondering, bro, you put this turbo kit on and you haven't raced nobody, or like, or stuff like that, you know. So pretty much I wouldn't say I lost motivation, because I didn't. I still have the motivation that I had from the beginning. But if you guys don't know, when we went on the dyno, I knocked down the PC and that caused the dyno to stop working, so we weren't able to finish dynoing. Apart from that, for some reason the map sensors on this car were maxing out, and we weren't even making power. We were making like 400 horsepower and they were maxing out. Usually what that means is that like you're hitting like 600, you know, like you need to change the map sensors. But on the dyno it said 400, so it's either the dyno was reading wrong, or I don't know what the issue is. But point is, we weren't even able to fix that because I did what I did. I dropped the computer. So pretty much I wasted a couple $100, because obviously you gotta pay to get on the dyno. I'm lucky I didn't break the actual dyno. If not, I would have actually had to pay a lot more. But pretty much, so after throwing that money, a couple $100 to the trash, I'm not gonna say it motivated me, because it didn't, but it kind of did. It's like, fuck man, like, now I'm gonna have to pay another couple $100 to hope to make power, you know. I shouldn't be making power. The turbo's good. It's a big turbo. It's a good turbo. There shouldn't be a reason why I don't make power. My tuner actually has advised me to get some better map sensors so they won't max out. But I feel like, well, he says they're not necessary unless I want to hit like 600 or more, and I kind of did, but at the same time I kind of don't, because I don't have my spare motor ready. I do want to hit like 600, like max out this stock motor, but not until my other motor is ready, just because I don't want to leave this car sitting for so long, not only for content but also for myself, because you guys know how much I enjoy driving this car. But yeah guys, that's pretty much the only reason why. And also I've been really busy, I'm not gonna lie. I've been pretty busy, and I actually still have not changed the spark plugs on this car. I have the spark plugs in my room. I still haven't done it. Super easy little task, but I just haven't done it. But yeah, honestly, I just wanted to tell you guys what's been going on, just because, like I said, I know there's a lot of you guys that just wonder, or like have asked yourself, what happened to this dude's car? Like, did something happen? Did it blow up? No, it didn't blow up. The car's still here, still good, runs good. I've been driving it a lot. Just for those of you guys that have been keeping up with the channel, I haven't raced or done an actual pull. I can do a pull, but there's no point. The car's like 400 wheel horsepower, so it's pretty slow. I'm not even gonna mess with it. Apart from me needing spark plugs, it's not the smartest idea to be abusing it right now. But yeah guys, it's literally, like I said, I wouldn't say I lost motivation, but something along those lines. I also just texted my tuner right now and asked him when he is available to tune. Pretty much set up a date for next week. I'm not sure if like around Tuesday. Hopefully everything goes good. Like I said, I'm not gonna max this motor out. I kind of did want to. I wanted to push 600 or more, But now I'm probably going for like mid 5s, anywhere. As long as I make more power than before, which I should be able to with no problem, because the last setup was kind of moderate, like it wasn't maxed out or anything. As long as I'm making more, and as long as I make those tires spin, I'm happy. Just so I could race some faster cars and see where this car really stands at with the stock motor before I full send mine. Who knows? What do you guys think? 1,000 horsepower soon? Just kidding, I don't know about 1,000, but pretty close to it. Hopefully everything goes well. Just gotta start ordering the parts, because that is a long process. That's the only reason why I haven't done it as well, apart from it being expensive. Like, just knowing that I'm gonna put this much money down and like just be waiting on parts forever, it's like, ugh, whatever. Like, I don't want to do it. But patience is key, so I'm gonna start putting money aside for it, because you never know, bro. Rather be prepared than something happen to the motor, God forbid, and the car be sitting forever. Because if something does happen, I am definitely not going to put a stock motor back in here, because it's kind of a waste of money in my opinion. That's pretty much the reason why you guys have not seen this car in action. Like I said, it's not a tuning problem, it's not a kit problem, it's not a turbo problem. It was just, honestly, like I said, not a loss of motivation, but kind of a loss of motivation, and I just didn't have time. So it is kind of late, so let's go ahead and get out of here. The homie Chris just got his car back. For those of you guys that know him, it's the white Z. It used to be blue. He just got it back, mid-mount kit. But he actually invited me to go get some tacos right now, so that's where we're about to go. You guys, let me know another boosted Z with this good of a mile per gallon. Damn, I've been talking for 6 minutes and 20 seconds. So I'm sorry guys, I hate uploading these videos where I'm just talking and talking and talking, but I just, like I said, I just wanted to tell you guys what was going on, and as well as have something for you guys to watch. That's homemade. Alright, let's go ahead and go swap cars, go grab some food. Goodbye. Hello. That idle though. Bro, for mobility only, this car sounds pretty sick. Well, let me see if I could swing it right here real quick for you guys. Ended up getting a little burrito.
Yeah, yeah, see on the camera.
When we got 4 tacos. Not bad, it's like down the street from my house. With cute looking saucy. Alright guys, gonna end today's video with the little 20-year-old in the daily. Peep the downshift. Let me swap hands. Sick ass fool just blew that stop sign. You guys think I got hands to be able to hit this corner with one hand? Update, kind of do. Alright guys, that's gonna conclude today's video. Like I said, I'm sorry, I know this video was mostly talking, but I just wanted to bring this video to explain to you guys what's been going on and what's going to happen very soon. Like I said, I should be tuning it next week, hopefully. Probably like Monday or Tuesday. If all goes well, I'll bring you guys a video, and then we could start with the racing content again. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys get whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.